Hi students, myself Kanakarajavelli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. In earlier class already we discussed tooth load, spur gear design procedure, wear tooth load, dynamic tooth load, these all those things. Okay, today we are discussing about one of the important problem using these design procedure of the spur gear. Okay, let's see. Our question is a bronze spur gear, spur pinion, a bronze spur gear pinion rotating at 600 rpm, n is equal to 600 rpm, drives a cast iron spur gear at a transmission ratio 4:1. Transmission ratio 4:1. The allowable static stress for the bronze pinion and cast iron gear are, one is pinion is 84 megapascal and the gear is 105 megapascal. The pinion has 16 standard, 20 full depth. We take CV formula, we are using this one, 20 full depth CV. Invalid teeth of module, M is equal to 8 mm. The face width of both the gears, both the gears is 90 mm. Find the power that can be transmitted from the standpoint of the strength. Okay, in this one given data is n is equal to pinion speed is equal to how much? 600 rpm. Next, VR velocity ratio is equal to TG by TP is equal to 4/1. 4:1 na? That's why 4/1. Next, sigma OP pinion sigma 84 megapascal is equal to 84 Newton per mm square. Next, gear sigma OG gear is equal to 105 megapascal is equal to 105 Newtons per mm square. Next, TP is equal to is given. TP pinion has 16 standards. 16 number of pinion, TP is equal to number of teeth in pinion, TP is equal to 16. Next, M is equal to module, M is equal to 8 mm. Next, B width of the teeth, B is equal to 90 mm. Okay, this is a given data in our question. Given data is NP 600 rpm, VR is equal to TG by TP 4:1, that means 4/1. Next, sigma OP, sigma stress 84 megapascal is equal to 84 newtons per mm square. Sigma OG gear stress 105 megapascal is equal to 105 newtons per mm square. Next, TP is equal to 16, M is equal to 8 mm, B is equal to 90 mm. Next, this M is equal to 8 mm, B is equal to 90 mm. We know that pitch circle diameter dp, we know that is pitch diameter m into tp. Okay, already we know that m is equal to 8, tp is equal to 16 is equal to dp is equal to formula 128 approximately 128 mm dp. This is a formula. Next, in this one, this is mm converted into meters, 0.128 meter. Okay, next, pitch line velocity. Find out pitch line velocity. Pitch line velocity. Pitch line velocity V is equal to pi dn by 60, pi dn by 60, pi dp np by 60, dp np by 60. Okay, in this one substitute pi dp 0. Already we know that pi into 0.128 into 600 by 60. Okay, this one is a pitch line velocity value is a 4.02 meter per second. Okay, this is a given data. Find out first dp, after that pitch line velocity. Velocity factor. Okay, velocity factor V is equal to full depth, that's why 3 by 3 plus v. Okay, next substitute 3 by 3 plus v is equal to, already we have find out 0.427. Okay, then velocity factor is equal to, this is 4.02. okay, then this one 0. The answer is 0.427. Okay, next the find out yp means factor of the pinion, factor of the tooth teeth, involute teeth factor, involute teeth factor from the pinion, for the pinion is denoted by yp. Okay, yp, in this one yp is equal to, this is full 20 full depth, that's why full depth yp is equal to formula 0.154 minus 0.912 by tp. Okay, now already we know that tp is equal 16, then substitute 4 minus 0.912, tp is equal to 16. Already given na 16 tp value in our question, tp, then answer 0.097. okay, approximately. After that find out yg. okay, yg value yg also 0.154 minus 0.912 by tg. in this one we sub tg. okay, this one is a yg equal to form substitute like tp by tg is equal to 4, then tg is equal to tp by 4. okay, using this one find out yg is equal to value is 8.148. okay, this is a yg. Next find out like sigma og into yg is equal to 105. sigma og equal to 105 into yg is equal to 8.148. okay, find out this value is 14.7. okay, 14.7. next tooth working load working stress wt is equal to, already we know that wp into b into pi m yp. then substitute all values in this equation. okay, this equation, okay, already we know that this one 84 and b is equal to 0.427 into pi, m is equal to 8, yp is equal to 0.097. Okay, calculate this equation. Okay, approximately answer is 7870 newtons. 7870 newtons. Next, power that can be transmitted. Find out power transmitted. Power transmitted P is equal to tooth load into velocity. Okay, tooth load already we find out 7870, and velocity in our problem, velocity already we find out 4.02. Find out this one. Okay, answer is approximately 31640 watts. Okay, kilowatts converted to kilowatts, 31.6 kilowatts. This is power transmitted. Okay, this is a simple problem and important problem. Okay, let's see again. Velocity factor. Find out velocity factor using v is equal to 3 by 3 plus v. Substitute 3 by 3 plus b. B is equal to 4.02. Okay, find out this one. This one is 0.427. Next, invalid teeth factor, pinion. Yp is equal to 0.15. Why yp equal 0.154 minus 0.2 by tp? Full depth, 20 degrees full depth. That's why. Substitute value 6 tp. Next, find out this one is equal 0.097. Yp is. Next, after that, find out yg 0.154 as it is minus 0.912 by tg. Substitute tg. We don't know tg, then find out using this equation, find out tg after substitute. Yg is equal to 8.148. Next, sigma og into yg is equal to 105 into 8.148. So then find out this one, 14.7. Next, after that, substitute this one, tooth load is equal to, bearing tooth load is equal to sigma wp into b into pi m yp. Okay, already we know that. Test 84 into 0.427 into pi into 8 into 0.097. Okay, answer is 7870 newtons. After that, find out the power transmitted. Find out the power transmitted. P is equal to wt into v. Wt already we know that 7870 into 4.02. Velocity is equal to 4.02. Then find out power. P is equal to 31.6 kilowatts. Okay, this is an important problem for our future exams. Thank you.